Hey, what's up, broskies? Welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna be working on the Yamaha YXZ 1000R. This car does not have a stereo, so we're gonna be installing one. Let's open it up and we'll see what we got.
Whoa. I think you boxed it.
Did you put that in the trash?
Yeah.
All right, I'm about to go downhill. A ver si no me parto la madre. I'll let you guys know right now. Quack, quack, quack.
Andas valiendo verga.
So the stereo that I bought, it's Rockford Fosgate. Check it out. This is the basic one. It comes with a stereo and then two speakers. One for the passenger side and then one for the driver's side. I think this is our speakers. I think this is the skin or the skeleton. And then I think this is the kit.
Whoa.
Ya nomás.
Look at these.
So these are the boxes for the speakers. Alright guys, so according to the instructions that we gotta remove the hood. This is the hood. Bam. Hood is off. Alright, step 2, we gotta remove the inner fender wells. So I'm guessing it's these. On the instructions, the pictures are black and white, so it's kind of hard to tell, but we'll figure it out. I think it's a 10. 1, 2, 3. And then it's got like another one down there. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. Alright guys, so the front plastic had 4, had 1 right here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright guys, so the next thing I did, I mounted the boxes. So it has 2 holes already made on this box. I'm gonna use a marker so I know where to drill. One's a 1/2 inch and then the other one's a 1/8. One's for the bolt and then the other one, I guess it's for the harness. So here are the 2 holes. The bigger one is for the harness, and then the smaller one is for 10mm support. So it's gonna have 3. So the next step, I have to drill these holes. Gotta go all the way in. It's pretty cool that they are already pre-cut, so we don't mess up. And then we're gonna mount our speakers. Instructions. Beautiful. Marine grade. So I believe these are waterproof. Look how beautiful these look. Sick. Alright. I'm gonna drill the holes out and then we'll install them. Alright guys, so far I have the driver's side on. Nice and mounted. And then check out the harness. And then there's the other bolt I had to drill. So the whole box is basically bolted with 1, 2, and then 3. 2 on the back side of the speaker and then 1 at the top. And then the little hole for the harness. I have it over here already. Nice. Alright guys, I got both speakers on. There's the passenger. And then here's the driver's side. Looking sick. Here is the little stereo. I pulled it out right now. And look at this thing. It's really small. But, I mean, fuck it. It is what it is. Here's everything that it comes with. I think this is like the front cover. Harness, zip ties, and then aluminum bracket, hardware. I'm gonna pop this one open. I believe this is the whole kit for the stereo. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Manuals, plastics, metal, another plastic, more harness. I think this is, yep, stereo harness. And then I believe this is the power. All this will go to the battery. More harnesses, some weather, some rubbers. And then we have here, this is the whole plastic that will go on the center console. Alright guys, it's the next day. I got the stereo installed. It's really small. Check out my hand for comparison. Mira nomás, that thing looks cute. But check out the sound though.
Need to do it. Yep.
Wait. We're in commercials. I also changed my engine oil, transmission oil, and I also changed the spark plugs. So it should be ready to go. So for those of you that don't know, on Friday the 6th, we're gonna be going to State Line. Basically, we're gonna go to Barstow. We're gonna leave our trailers there, and then from there, driving the side-by-sides all the way to State Line. If you guys want to row, it's a really big event for side-by-side. So me and the homies are gonna go. It's gonna be a fun day. But coronavirus. But yeah, broskies. That's why I'm doing all this. I did the stereo. That way we don't get bored. I'm gonna take my girl. But yeah, check out the bocinitas.
Huevos para estar en donde estoy. Los sacrificios me hicieron hoy como soy. Miré a mis viejos batallar y en caliente me fui a jalar.
I think it goes all the way to 40, but it's pretty loud.
Identifico diferente a los demás. Muy diferente mi propia mentalidad.
And then here's the sound test while the car is on. So yeah, basically, like when I turn it all the way up, I can't hear my engine, so it's gonna be sick. Alright guys, so we're gonna be doing shoutouts again. So basically, whoever comments on this video, the first person that comments, I'm gonna shout you out on the next video, and so on and so on. Alright, so you gotta be the first. Turn on your post notifications. Turn on your post notifications so you be the first one, and then I'll give you a shout out. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, broskis. Please leave me a like, it helps out the videos, and subscribe. So see you guys next time. Peace out.